Hi everyone, Aditi Dubey here again. Welcome back. Today we are tackling one of the scariest words in cancer, metastasis. Last time we saw how tumors build blood vessels to feed themselves. But cancers, not content just sitting there, it's got wanderlust. Metastasis is when cancer packs its bag and spreads from its original site to new parts of the body. It's the difference between a local troublemaker and full on invasion. Let's break down how it pulls off this road trip. Here's the step by step. First, cancer cells in the primary tumor get restless. They break away, detach from their neighbors, like leaves falling off a tree. Step 2. They invade, burrowing through the tissue around them and slipping into blood vessels or lymph channels. Think of these as highways or rivers. Step 3. They travel, hitching a ride in the bloodstream or lymph, tumbling along until they hit a new spot. Step 4. They exit, squeezing out of those vessels into a new organ lungs, liver, bones, you name it. And finally, step 5. They settle in, building a new tumor, a secondary site. It's not random, it's a calculated journey, and each step is a chance for things to go wrong or for cancer to go horribly right. Now, how do these cells turn into travelers? Enter EMT, epithelial to mesenchymal transition. Normally, epithelial cells, the ones lining your organs, are stuck together like bricks in a wall, stable and orderly. But during EMT, cancer cells pull a shape shifter move. They lose their stickiness, ditch their brick like structure, and become mesenchymal, flexible, mobile, ready to roam. It's like they trade their suits for hiking gear. Genes flip on, proteins like pimentin and snail take charge, and suddenly these cells can wiggle free, invade, and survive the trip. EMT is the key. It's what makes metastasis possible, turning rooted cells into nomads. Here's the kicker. Metastatic cancer is a nightmare to detect and treat. Early on, those traveling cells are tiny, microscopic strova waves, and our scans often miss them until they have step up shop. By then, you are not fighting one tumor, you are battling multiple fronts. Treatment's tricky too. What works in the original site might flop in the new one because the environment's different or the cells have evolved resistance. It's like chasing a ghost that keeps changing its face. Metastasis is why cancer goes from manageable to life threatening. 90% of cancer death tie back to it. That's not just a start, it's the wall we are trying to climb. Let me tell you why this hits home for me. A few years ago, I met a patient. Let's call her Priya. Through a hospital visit with my team. She was in her 40s, diagnosed with breast cancer. At first, it was contained, just the breast, treatable with surgery and chemo. She tough, optimistic, cracking jokes about losing her hair. But 6 months later, it spread, metastasized to her lungs. I saw her scans, little dots everywhere, like stars in a cruel sky. She asked me, why didn't we stop it? I didn't have a good answer, just theories about cells sneaking away, we caught them. Priya didn't make it, but her question stuck with me. It's why I pour over metastasis research, why I lose sleep over EMT pathways. If we can block those steps, keep cancer from moving, we could save people like her. Metastasis is cancer on the move, a traveler we need to trap. Next time, we'll talk about the immune system's fight against it. For now, think of Priya's dots on the scan. How do we stop them before light up? That's my mission. and maybe yours someday. See you in next lecture.